can earn online by teaching at home. So the website about which today I am going to teach you is called Turito, Turito. So first we have to open the Chrome. Then we will open the Chrome. Now here we have to type the address of the website, that is Turito Carriers. Okay, so this is the first link where we have to click. So by clicking here, a page will open here, and then we have to fill some information. It will ask us apply now. So this website, by working on this website, you can nearly earn 40,000 per month. They are also paying hourly. You can also work here as both part-time teacher and full-time teacher. So before apply now, you can see here, you can go downside. So it is asking, it is shown here, earn up to 60,000 per month by choosing flexible working hours and location. So here you can work as per as a full-time teacher or a part-time teacher. So here you can teach any subject in which you are expert, that is you can teach math, science, English to the students, and the grade is from, you can teach from 4th to 12th class. So here it is also written why join Turito. You will be also given the training when you will be selected. So you will be also given the training, and if you are shortlisted, the HR will call you, and he will give you the full guidance when they will conduct your interview and what will be your working hours. So now here we have to go, we have to apply now. So now another page will open here. So first here, as I have already applied to this website, I will show you here. It is asking enter your full name. Here you have to type your name, that is suppose I have typed here Shakeel Misgar. After that it will ask you to enter your mobile number, on which mobile number they will contact you. This is my mobile number. Okay, now it will ask you for email ID. It should be the working email ID, so that they will contact you on this email ID. So here I have to enter the email ID. Suppose I will enter Misgar @gmail.com. Okay, this is my email ID. Now here you have to address, here you have to type gender. Suppose you are male, you can go for male. If you female, then female. Suppose I have written here male. Then it will ask your date of birth. So here you have to type your date of birth. Suppose your date of birth is August. You will go here, suppose 1981. We will select this. Suppose this is the date of birth. So after that it will ask you, you got to hear about us, where from you heard about us. You can here select the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, website. Suppose I will write here YouTube. Okay, now after that it will ask you what is your highest qualification. So here you will type your qualification, either if you are graduate, then graduate, postgraduate, or undergraduate. Suppose I have select the graduation. So it will ask you what is your graduation college name. Suppose my college name was Shri Pratap College. Okay, after that any relevant certification, degree, diploma, if you have, you can write here degree or diploma. Okay, after that what is your total teaching experience. If you are fresher, you can write here nil. If you have experience, so you can write the experience between 1 to 5 years. Okay, after that it will ask you how you will taught international students and international curriculum. So here you will write, have you taught international? If you have taught, you will type yes. If no, then you will go for no. Okay, after that please select your online teaching experience. If you have any online teaching experience, you can select that. If no, then you can go for that. Okay, after that choose only one subject as per your expertise that you would like to apply. So suppose I will teach the English, I will go for the English. If you are going for maths, you can select the subject as per your choice. So choose the international region. As will you teach the, here you have to select the time. Okay, because if you are teaching the international students in the US, you can select here US. If UK, if you can select the timing as per their timing. If it is US, suppose I will select here from 1 to 5 a.m. Okay, IST Indian Standard Time. Now choose the grade level for which you want to teach and have the experience in the same. Here you have to, if suppose you want to teach the students from 1 to 4, I will go for here. After that it will ask you, will you be able to provide a minimum of 100 hours in a month? Okay, here you will go for yes or no. Okay, do you have a functional computer and an excellent internet connectivity for online classes? Here you will go for yes. So are you ready to complete your onboarding and training process within the next 15 days? You will go for yes. Okay, so are you available to stay for a minimum of a year with us so the students enrolled with you can finish their tentures? You can select here yes. So after that it will ask you, please choose one of the below options that is accurate for you. Here you could say, if you are differently able, you will select that. If you are okay, if you have no health issues, you will go for this. Both the above options doesn't apply on me. After that it will ask you, you confirm that all the information you provide is accurate and that you have clearly understood the requirements of Turito. You also agree to comply with the company's rules. So here you will go on agree and then submit the form. So this is very easy. After submitting the form, they will call you and the HR will tell you everything, when he will take your interview, when you can start the classes. So I hope you like the information. So just go to the website. You don't have to pay anything for this to apply here online as an online teacher. So I hope you like the information. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.